How to use ChatGPT to automate tasks and workflows. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can assist in automating tasks and workflows in various ways. Here are some approaches. 1. Text-based automation. ChatGPT can be integrated into a chatbot or messaging application to automate text-based tasks and workflows. For example, you can create a chatbot that uses ChatGPT to answer frequently asked questions, process customer service requests, or even help users complete forms. 2. Natural language processing, NLP, integration. ChatGPT can be integrated with NLP platforms like Dialogflow or WIT.ai to create conversational interfaces that can understand and respond to natural language input. This can be used to automate more complex tasks, such as scheduling appointments or ordering products. 3. Document analysis and processing. ChatGPT can also be used to analyze and process text-based documents, such as invoices or contracts. This can be done using natural language processing techniques to extract relevant information, such as dates, names, or amounts, and automate tasks based on this information. 4. Data analysis and decision-making. ChatGPT can also be used to automate data analysis and decision-making tasks. For example, you can train ChatGPT to classify data based on certain criteria, or to identify patterns and anomalies in large data sets. 5. Workflow automation. ChatGPT can be integrated with workflow management platforms like Zapier or IP to automate tasks across multiple applications and systems. For example, you can create a workflow that automatically creates a new task in your project management tool whenever an email is received with a specific subject line. In summary, ChatGPT can be used to automate tasks and workflows by integrating it with chatbots, NLP platforms, document analysis tools, data analysis tools, and workflow management platforms. The specific approach will depend on the task or workflow being automated and the tools available. Here are some reputable sources that provide information and examples of how to use AI language models like GPT for automating tasks and workflows. How to use GPT-3 for text generation and automation by OpenAI. This article by the creators of GPT-3 provides an overview of how the language model can be used for text-based automation, including chatbots and natural language processing. It also includes examples of how GPT-3 has been used for automation in different industries. Automate document processing with OpenAI's GPT-3 by Sync Review. This article provides an example of how GPT-3 can be used for document analysis and processing, including extracting information from invoices and contracts. It also includes a video demonstration of the process. How GPT-3 is powering a new kind of digital workflow by CMS Wire. This article explores how GPT-3 and other AI language models can be used to automate workflows and decision-making tasks. It includes examples of how GPT-3 has been used for automating tasks in industries such as finance and healthcare. Using GPT-3 to build workflows by Towards Data Science. This article provides a tutorial on how to use GPT-3 with Zapier to create automated workflows. It includes step-by-step instructions and screenshots. AI chatbots. How to build and automate your customer support workflow by HubSpot. This article provides an overview of how AI chatbots can be used for customer support automation, including integrating with tools like GPT-3 for natural language processing. It also includes examples of companies that have successfully implemented chatbot automation.